Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's is the first video of 2018. Yay! And I'm so proud because I said that I wanted to make more videos. I wanted to make more videos, and that's one of my goals for 2018. So I am here sitting in front of this camera making content for you. So I'm super excited. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year. I hope that you all had an amazing 2017. I hope that you set up your goals already for 2018, that you have a vision board, and that you're ready to make your dreams reality on 2018 and going forward. Today's video, it's all about how I stay organized and some new purchases that I made for 2018 that I want to share here with you. And the first item that I want to show you, it's a planner, because if you know me, then you know that every year I purchase my own planner. First of all, this one was sent to me, but I usually purchase my own. I go to TJ Maxx or purchase them online, Amazon or whatnot, Michael's. You can find them everywhere. This company recently reached out to me, and the company is mypersonalplanner.com. And in that website, you could kind of create your own planner and the size of your planner as well, and what goes inside the planner, which is super cool. So I thought that was so nice, and I decided to go and personalize my own. And I look how cute, you guys. Let me show you first of all. So I picked this marble type of cover. It's like a pink cover. Yeah, so this is what I like about the planner the most, that it's super convenient because it's so lightweight. I picked the size myself. I didn't want nothing bulky. Also, the planner comes with stickers. They give you a little sheet of stickers that are super cute and trendy. They have like all the emojis and stuff like that. And it also comes with this clear pocket, and in this clear pocket you could actually put anything that you want, your stickers, your notepads, and stuff like that. You could do monthly goals and create like a little vision board with those goals for the month, and just put it on the top of your planner and the monthly overview section. So that's what I'm going to be doing with that. Also, at Marshall, I found the cutest this journal, you guys. I'm like in love. When I saw this, I was telling my mom, this is so cute. So if you know my Instagram story from New Year's Eve, you know that my goals were not met. I was aiming to lose 10 pounds for 2017. That didn't happen. I don't want to talk about it. So this year I'm doing things a lot different. I'm going to really work really hard to make the goals come true. And a way that I like to stay organized, you guys, is by writing down everything. So that's how I stay organized with work. You know, I have a personal planner for work. I have a personal planner for myself. So anyways, back to this little baby right here. This planner is so cute, you guys. If you find it at Marshall's, get it. It was only $5.99. And if you want to be healthier, if you want to track down your meals, what you eat, and you want to see what, you know, where your calories are going and your goals and your macros and all of that, I think you should definitely pick this up. Whoever made this, let me see if I can find the brand who made this, because it is so effing cute. Okay, it's by Molly and Red. When you open it, you're gonna have an inspiration board section where you could create your own inspiration for that week. And I thought that was so cute. And then it gives you like little motivational stuff. Never give up. In this section, you could write down things that you have achieved, things that you're looking forward to, things that you are grateful for. You have an exercise log, and this is where you track down all of your workouts, you guys, which is super cool. Section where you could track all your meals. So you could keep track of your calories, sugar, proteins, carbs, everything, you guys. So that's super cool. You could do it by breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and then you do the total for that day. So yes, there's apps for that, but sometimes writing things down help you more than going in the app, because sometimes you even forget to go in the app. And if you have this in your purse, you could just write it down and kind of motivate yourself. The reason why I decided to pick this up, and I thought it was super cool when I saw it, is because I'm planning to start going to the nutritionist, you guys, to achieve my goals this year, because I need a little help. I could get super lazy and be so unhealthy. Fitness journal, I could easily handle it to my nutritionist, and she could just look at it and see what I'm doing wrong, you know, and help me out that way. So if you need help like that, get this baby. So another planner I want to show you is another one that I picked up at Marshall's. I'm sorry, at TJ Maxx, and this planner was $9.99. And look how cute. I think I posted a picture of this planner on my Instagram. So this one is super cool because you get to see like different quotes when you open the planner, and then it has all the tabs with the months and the year. You get like a monthly overview, which is super cool. And here it tells you goals, a section for the goals, a to-do list, and then you're gonna see your quote for that month. And I think that's super, super cool. So I'm not gonna show you because I already started writing things out on this planner and it is personal. So I'm not gonna go into much details, but that just wanted to show you how cute that planner is for only 10 bucks. If you guys wanna customize your own, then I suggest you go to mypersonalplanner.com and create your own planner. So the good news is that my personal planner decided to team up with me and give one lucky person a chance to customize their own planner. Please follow my personal planner on Instagram, and I'm gonna leave all the description down below. Please subscribe to my channel. This item I'm gonna show you because I'm super excited that I got it. I got Christmas gift cards, so I put them to use. This is the first purchase of 2018 for the home, of course. So this is big, so let me just move to the side. So I got the Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless thick vacuum. And if you follow Inspire Me Home Decor on Instagram, then I'm pretty sure you follow her because a lot of people follow her. So she always uses this vacuum. It's a cordless vacuum. And I was like, oh my God, I want to buy it. I want to buy it. So I finally got a gift card from Amazon and I decided to purchase my own. The reason why I picked this up was because obviously she inspired me to get it from her cleaning sections. But because my back has been killing me and my bulky vacuum needs to go. So we're starting 2018 with a new vacuum, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it now to show you how it looks. So don't forget to enter the giveaway. Guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a short video. I just wanted to share with you some items that are gonna help me achieve my goals for 2018. Also, comment down below, leave me all your love. Let me know what are your goals for 2018. What are your resolutions? Do you have any? I'm not gonna start this year like I did prior years with the new year, new me BS. I am actually making things happen this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.
Hi guys, I'm Katie's niece, Michelle. If you guys enjoyed this video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done yet. And if you guys want to see me in the next video, just subscribe right now and give this a thumbs up. So bye, she's coming.